Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Adib Afifi bin AZAHAM. For our company profile, our company name is the Omega Holding Berhad. That is the property management company that has been established from 2011. The company has carefully cultivated a reputation for delivering quality properties that inspire and enrich for over 5 years. Omega Holding Berhad live up the belief that Malaysians deserve to home the highest standard by constantly improving not only construction technology but also architecture trends. So our vision for this company is to continue to be the property management company of choice, providing full service and care to our client, properties and our team members by setting the standard in multi-family housing, property management and development industry. So our mission is to modernize property and infrastructure management by aligning the tenant and client interests through the service and asset. For the background of property, we choose the MELAWATI Corporate Centre, which is the MCC is the short form for the MELAWATI Corporate Centre. It is the central component of MELAWATI Urban Transformation Project Plan. This commercial property is situated at TAMAN, MELAWATI, Kuala Lumpur. The property is under freehold status. It also providing the essential benefit of convenience across a highway network with convenient access. The MCC are the business environment that designed for a wide variety company to create a sustainable and efficient workplace environment. So this is our team structure for the property management department. I am Adib Afifi as assistant manager. Second is BAIHAQI AFFANDI as property manager. Next is NURFAIZA PUZI as management or admin, and then INTAN NURSHAFIQAH as operation manager, and the last one is ZULAICCA as human resource manager.
Hi, I am INTAN NURSHAFIQAH and I'm going to present about property management setup. MCC use both are in-house and outsourced, but majority of the management setup used in MCC is in-house, where they have to focus on their core business. MCC has their own facilities planning and execution department, which is also known as facilities management. In this department, they are responsible to ensure the functionality, safety, and efficiency of the built environment in the company. MCC also have F&B operation, where the personnel have the responsibilities to ensure all the becoming materials are not used until it is verified. The HCA department is responsible for all infrastructure and day-to-day maintenance of several manufactured housing communities. Therefore, they have to provide safe and well-maintained common areas and facilities. There are some advantages of in-house in MCC. First, MCC can respond quickly in every aspect and problems that arise, which they know all the features in the building, and also the management in MELAWATI Corporate Centre. Second, MCC also can focus their core business to achieve the objective in every aspect, and they also can manage their problems smoothly through in-house. This is because they have their own team in each department. What are the disadvantages? First, MCC need to train more to their staff so that all staff are more familiar with their process, and for sure this will cost a lot of time to settle. Second, in-house in MCC are costly as they need to invest a lot of money for the recruiting process. They also lack of talents, where they need to find the specific skills to train their staff.
Hi, first thing, let me introduce myself. My name is ZULAICCA binti HISHAMUDDIN. Okay, I want to explain about organizational setup outsourcing. So, many companies will use this strategy to their company to improve or growth to their businesses. It also can make a company to more quality in a services. So, after I'm done do my research about MELAWATI Cooperation Center, I found MCC use some outsourcing companies to more perfect and further their company strategy. Additional businesses such as a Trinitator and Essential are used by MCC for outsourcing and have a different functions. Among the outsourcing is a Trinitator. It is one of the top IT solution companies in the world. For example, Trinitator do outsourcing like design, IoT means Internet of Things, and QA services. Then to company Trinitator is the one of the best BPO services company in the USA. They do the customer support teams, back office support teams, and automations and AL for MCC companies. They are so confident of their quality that they offer 200% money back guarantee. And last, company is Accenture. Accenture provides MELAWATI Cooperation Center is with healthcare users management as well as employer and HR services. Okay, next is advantage and disadvantage outsourcing. So there are 4 advantage and 4 disadvantage. For advantage, first, it can reduce costs. So as one of my imaging, outsourcing piecemeal work is almost always going to be cheaper than hiring permanent full-time staff. Second, effort are more targeted. Another overlooked advantage of outsourcing is that it enables MCC to plan and execute more effective, targeted campaign and project that MCC would ordinarily be able to take on. Third is a thing get done fast. For example, if MCC working with a limited number of staff members, MCC can get things done a whole lot quicker by passing time-consuming tasks on the freelancer or external agency. And last but not least, the advantage of outsourcing is can keep your business running 24/7 hours. Okay, while disadvantage is MELAWATI Cooperation Center can reduce quality control. Why? Because outsourcing companies and some freelancers may often be motivated by profit rather than a job well done. Second, MCC can lose focus because many outsourcing agencies or freelancers tend to service multiple clients at any given time. The work MCC sending out may not be receiving the focus it deserves. Depends on the process MCC outsourcing. That lack of focus could be detrimental to companies' MELAWATI Cooperation Center. Next, hidden costs mean outsourcing work is generally considered cheaper. You must also beware of getting ripped off. Outsourcing company or big agency will typically ask businesses owner don't read the term carefully. MCC could get hit with unexpected costs. Lastly, have a security risk. In this age of data protections, it's essential that MCC exercise questions personal data. MCC could be placing the privacy of other of us or security of MCC businesses at a risk by passing that data on the other people.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is BAIHAQI bin Muhammad Affandi. Today I am going to present about the responsibility of property manager. For the responsibility of manager, I take the standard 5 in the Malaysian Property Management Standard, which is maintenance management. According to standard 5 in Malaysian Property Malaysia Standard, property manager should manage 3 types of maintenance, which is corrective, planned maintenance, and also decide service providers for building. We go to the first type of the maintenance, which is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance requires a systematic process to do replacement for malfunction facilities and equipment in the building. Property managers have to monitor and supervise work related to corrective maintenance. Property manager also have to establish effective system or procedures to do replacement and make sure stocks and inventory records are available for maintenance activity. For example, me as a property manager in MELAWATI Corporate Center have to monitor and supervise works related to corrective maintenance, such as the malfunction of a lift in the MELAWATI Corporate Center, or the malfunction of lights and bulbs, and also other things which is cannot be used in the building. And me as a property manager are responsible to replace the malfunction equipments and make sure the stock and inventory records are available, so that I can track which equipment have been replaced for the maintenance purpose. Next is planned maintenance. Planned maintenance is a systematic and proactive maintenance which is to prevent and minimizing defects or malfunction of facilities and equipment in building. Property manager have to prepare systematic planned maintenance schedule with manufacturers to do recommendation for maintenance. For example, me as a property manager in MELAWATI Corporate Center, I have to prepare the planned maintenance schedule with manufacturers. Either it is suitable to do the maintenance to prevent and minimizing the defect or malfunction of facilities and equipment in buildings, such as leaking in the walls, the leakings in the pipe, and also the cracks on the wall or tiles, so that the manufacturers can fix the defects or malfunction in the building. Also, property manager have to monitor and supervise planned maintenance work to be undertaken in accordance with the schedule. Me as a property manager in MELAWATI Corporate Center have to monitor the time schedule in the planned maintenance, so that the maintenance work can be done from time to time, and also to track the record to make sure that the maintenance work always done according to the time schedule. Next is the service providers. Service providers need to be considered by property manager to ensure high quality and standard of service aligned with suitability of the building. Property manager shall manage, administrate, and supervise all appointed service providers. For example, me as a property manager from MELAWATI Corporate Center, I have to consider which are the best company to provide the service which is aligned with the suitability of the MELAWATI Corporate Center building. For example, for the service provider in the building, I choose the Trinity Wired, Trinity and Center company to provide the service in the building. Also, me as a property manager have to maintain the proper records, contract, license, insurance, manufacturer's guideline, and warranties to make sure the service provided work effectively. Without this proper record of contract, license, insurance, I am able to be sued by the clients, and also I cannot track the records for the from the service providers company which is appointed by the property manager itself.
Assalamualaikum and hi. First, let me introduce myself. I am NURFAIZA binti PUZI and I am going to present about surrounding facilities and amenities around MELAWATI Corporate Centers or MCC. Let me start by giving you some background information. So the definition for facilities is a place, amenity or a piece of equipment provided for a particular purpose, while definition for amenities is desirable or useful features or facility of a building or place, or in other words is the pleasantness or attractiveness of a place. Let's move on to facilities first. So we have few surrounding facilities around MCC, which is among them are transportation, shopping mall, educational institution, recreational, medical center, and other facilities. So the first one is transportation, which we have LRT Wangsa Maju that located around 3.3 km, and Combat Integrated Transport located around 5.1 km between MCC. Next is shopping mall, which is MELAWATI Mall that located really near between MCC, and we have KL East Mall that located between 4.2 km. Wangsa Walk Mall also located between 4.2 km. And last one is Aeon Big Wangsa Maju that located around 5.6 km from MCC. We also have recreational place which is near with MCC, which is Zoo Negara that located around 1.9 km, and Bukit Tabur located around 3.4 km. Other than that, we also have educational institution that located near MCC, which is first is Tunku Abdul Rahman College located around 3.4 km. Fairview International School located between 5.3 km, and International Islamic University of Indonesia IIUM that located around 9.4 km from MCC. Besides, medical center also one of facilities that near with MCC, which is Columbia Asia Hospital located around 5.8 km. KPJ Ampang Putri Specialist Hospital located around 7.7 km, and Gleneagles Hospital located around 9.4 km from MCC. Finally, other facilities also located near MCC, which is post office, bank, and petrol pump. Next one is amenities. Among the facilities available at MELAWATI Corporate Center is reliable, fast Wi-Fi. This is because they expect their employees to stay connected on their tech tool, and fast internet connection allow workers to share printers, share documents without the need for email them each other. Second is huge parking space. MCC have approximately 500 parking bays residing in 4 levels, and the last one is unique sky terrace in MCC, which is it can host any business event at the rooftop of MCC and can enjoy panoramic view at the beauty of Taman MELAWATI. This is all for my presentation, and thank you for your attention.